Hello everyone. I wanted to make a video on setting up the new Renko charts. It's not complicated and it's not something that you haven't done before, but the other ones are all really standard, and I just want to make sure that you're getting your Renko charts set up correctly. And so here we go. I'm going to set up the 2x2 Renko, and then I'll follow that up with setting up the 1x1 Renko. You will need both Renko charts if you're going to have your charts resemble mine. So I'm going to come up here to the top, and I'm just going to take it from scratch, right? So File, New, Chart Window, and I'm selecting EPM 24, which is the current setting. Style, we're going to come down to Renko, right? And the resolution, again, is going to, they're both going to be in points. And I'm going to do the 2x2 first. 2 and 2 resolution, box size. I show wicks on mine. 5 days back is plenty. And style, let's see, make sure we're on candlestick and click OK. All right, so there's the Renko 2x2. And then the only thing you have to do now is right click and go to Format Study Templates and find the AVT RB Renko 2x2 version 9.6. All right, so you do that and hit apply, and there you go. And so that's all that was required. It is now set up. All the inputs are set up correctly, and it is now sending data to memory so that your 5-second charts can pick that up. Okay, so no other action is required. Now, as you can see, the only thing I really have showing here are the Renko moving averages and the Renko volume. You can, if you desire. I don't really look at the Renkos when I'm making trading decisions, but if you're interested in just looking at history, you can insert the the 4 pivots, the daily biases, all those sorts of things to get an idea of what's going on. Those two are really about the only things that you could do reasonably well. You could do VWAP and the volume porting control. You just be careful that you're not overloading your computer if you don't have a really high-end computer. All right, so there's the 2x2. We don't need to do anything else other than that, and don't need to look at it. So I'm going to minimize it, and I'm going to come in, do File, do Chart Window again. Right, again, EPM 24 settings. It's on Renko already, and I'm going to do a 1x1. Right, resolution 1 point, box size 1 point. Everything else stays the same. And style, let me just double check. Yep, we're on candlestick. So here comes the 1x1. All right, so same procedure. The only thing you have to do is right click, go to Format Study Templates, and this time find the Renko 1x1 version 9.6 and hit apply, and we get the 1x1. And so you'll see there's one other indicator here, right? So we get TurboFlex in addition to the Renkos, and it's sending information to memory as we're speaking, and it also is sending the TurboFlex to memory. It will eventually print the TurboFlex label out here, but a bar has to complete before it does that. And that's really all you have to do. The other charts are all pretty standard. You've been dealing with them for some time, the 5 seconds, etc. I will be the only chart that doesn't change in the 9.6 release is the 2 tick chart. All right, all other charts should be updated, and I'll also put that in the email as I am sending out this software update for you relatively soon. All right, so have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Monday morning.